Hello, today we will guide you through how to change output language in Wispr Flow. If you want Wispr Flow to display or work in a different language, the process is very quick once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, we'll go step by step so you can follow along easily and make the change with confidence. To begin, open the Wispr Flow app on your device. Make sure the app is fully loaded before moving on, so all menu options are visible and responsive. If you've just launched it, give it a moment to finish opening. Once you're inside the app, direct your attention to the bottom left area of the screen. This is where you'll find the Settings option. Click on Settings to open the app's configuration menu. Settings is where Wispr Flow stores the main controls for adjusting how the app looks and behaves, so this is the right place to go anytime you want to personalize your experience. After the Settings menu opens, click on General. This section usually includes broader app preferences rather than highly specific tools, which is why the language setting is located here. If you don't immediately recognize the layout, just take a second to scan the available options until you see General, then select it. Inside the General section, look for the app language setting and click on it. This is the option that lets you choose which language the app uses. Depending on your version of Wispr Flow, this may appear as a drop-down menu, a selectable field, or a list of available languages. When the language options appear, select your preferred language from the list. In the original example, this is shown as choosing a sample language, but here you'll simply pick the language you want to use in Wispr Flow. Be sure to click the correct option so the app can update accordingly. Once selected, the change should apply within the app interface. If you don't notice the language switch right away, give the app a moment to refresh. In some cases, reopening the settings view can help confirm that the new language has been applied successfully. And that's all it takes to change the output language in Wispr Flow. As a quick tip, if you ever need to switch back, you can return to Settings, open General again, and choose a different language at any time. Thanks for following along, and we hope this helped you update Wispr Flow to the language that works best for you.